Step into the 2008 Honda Civic SD NLX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are intermittent wipers, wheel covers, passenger vanity mirror, engine immobilizer, ABS, variable speed intermittent wipers, steel wheels, and daytime running lights. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.